Let's get into notes and comments. So I've got my table practice spreadsheet open. Let's say that I have a couple things that I want to keep in mind if anybody's looking at the spreadsheet. For example, batteries. If I wanted people to know that batteries were on sale this week, if I right click, go to new note, comment and note is what we're covering today. I'll get to comments in a bit, but notes is a traditional aspect of an Excel note or comment. Essentially, it tells you who made the note, and you can actually delete that. And you can put on sale 2/9/25. And you can continue to make this as long as you want. If you want more space, you can change the size of this. Just another note I want to put in there. So when I click off this, it retains the note and you see a little red flag. So I can hover over batteries and I see my note. And if I try to click on it, I can't. How do you change the note? Right click again, edit note. And there you can delete the entire thing if you want. And then you just have a blank note. So what you want to do, you can go to delete note. Or you can toggle between show and hide notes if you want the notes always to be shown for some reason. So that's how you note a cell, and anybody who's familiar would see the red flag and be able to hover over it, etc. What about comments? I right click and go to new comment. It says start a conversation. So I'm going to type, is this for name brand only? Question mark. I'm gonna hit send. And it invites a reply to anyone else who looks at the spreadsheet. You see it has a little purple flag that's kind of weird shaped. But here, if I want to type a reply, I just hover over this, go here and hit a reply. So I'll put no non-name brand. And then you can either hit this or it says control and enter to post. And this is a reply to myself. If you are under a different profile, your profile is up here. So anybody with the individual sign-on would be able to reply, therefore making it a collaborative effort. So there's not much to comments and notes, just a real short lesson on this.